model chick to your everyday hood rat. Less than all, but more than a few, but I never met one like you.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Lippy and I'm back with another video. But I want to tell you guys, I'm not going to say my last time, but my next video is definitely going to be me talking to you guys. I want to show y'all more of my personality. I'm starting to feel more comfortable behind the camera, so I'm just ready to just talk to y'all. I've been going more live, more frequent, more often on my IG. I have that listed below. You can follow me. But yeah, I'm just doing my eyebrows right now. I am not going to do too much talking throughout this video. I'm just going to let it speak for itself because I had done tons and tons of makeup videos. But I'm going to let you guys see. And if you have any questions, any requests, leave it down in the comment box. Thank you. Bye.
Jet setter, go getter, nothing better. Call me Mr. Been there, done that. Top model chick to your everyday hood rat. Less than all, but more than a few, but I never met one like you. Been all over the world, done a little bit of everything, little bit of everywhere, with a little bit of everyone. But all the girls I've been with, things I've seen, it takes much to impress. But sure enough, your glow, it makes your soul stand out from all the rest. Could be in love, but I just don't know. Maybe one thing is for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't matter, in your presence can't do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one but you. Girl, you're so one in a million. You are, baby, you're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. And I'm certain that there ain't nothing better. No, there ain't nothing better than this. You're not a regular girl. You don't give a damn about the loot. Talking about I can't do for you what you can do for yourself. Even though that ain't so, baby, cause my dope don't know how to end. But that independent thing, I'm with it. All we do is win, baby. I could be in love, but I just don't know. Maybe one thing is for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't matter, in your presence can't do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one but you, baby. You are, baby, you're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. And I'm certain that there ain't nothing better. No, there ain't nothing better. Girl, you're so one in
together forever. I will never, never let you go. Seem like soon as we say that we are one, surrender. It's something we don't know. There's something between us, certain fire in our love. It's unreleasable, unbelievable. We're miserable apart, but together it's so hard. All I need to know, oh, all I need to know. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? My ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? I need to know. Every time we break up, we turn around and we make up. Mama wonder when I'm gonna wake up, but he love my face with no makeup. Yeah. And every time I call him, we end up having a problem. And I know I'll probably never solve it. But damn, I really love him. There's something between us, certain fire in our love. It's unreleasable, unbelievable. We're miserable apart, but together it's so hard. All I need to know, oh, all I need to know. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? My ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? I need to know. I leave him, go back to him, then leave him again. What we're doing, I wish I knew it. I really don't understand. He loved me, he loved me not. What the hell we doing? I need to know. I need to know. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? My ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? I need to know.
Over here, let me speak to you, baby. Talk to your body and teach you my language. I know you used to these women that's timid. See what I want, then I get up and get it. Hey, I know I get a little crazy. I need somebody to tame it. Hey, he love my lingo. I'm wet like a free throw, and when you done playing, let me know.
I want you to know now, baby, it could go down. I don't wanna talk about it, baby, let's just go now. When you talking to me, you gon' have to do me. Every time you think you're leaving, you running back to me.
Can we just talk? Can we just